This video is going to be about solving quadratic equations with the square root method. And this is really a pretty easy thing to do. So here's an example. I've got x squared minus 25 equals 0, and I want to find out what x is. So the first thing I'm going to do is isolate the x squared, which means in this case I'll add 25 to both sides. That's going to give me x squared equals 25. Now, if you stop for a second and see what I've got here, you realize what this equation is saying is there's some number that we're calling x, and when I square that number, I'll get a 25. Now, you know you can multiply 5 times 5 and get a 25, but don't forget you can also multiply two negative numbers and get a positive. So we could have had x equaling 5, or x might have equaled negative 5. Negative 5 squared is also 25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write x. I'm going to think of myself as taking the square root of x squared. And then I'm going to have the positive and negative square roots of the right side of the equation of 25. In other words, x could equal the positive square root of 25, or it could equal the negative square root of 25. Now the square root of 25 is 5, so I'm going to have x equals plus or minus 5.